And here it is. Here's the Elgin running very strongly there. You can see the balance wheel and everything else moving along quite nicely after cleaning and servicing. It only has 7 joules, but it's running very, very smoothly. This is a little 7 joule Elgin that I picked up for practice to practice servicing movements. It is running very, very strongly and keeping good time. It's a hunter's case, which is really nice, and obviously gold filled. We'll walk through all the imagery from cleaning and servicing the movement, then I'll show you the movement running itself. It's very, very strong little watch.